All right, and the one that we've all been waiting for is our wave-like functions, okay? And these are called sine functions, okay? S-I-N stands for the word sine, okay? And it's a periodic function, okay? So it's gonna be a wave, and it's gonna repeat itself over and over and over again, okay? And we can use that to help us out, okay? Um, but really, what we're concerned with our sine function is the height of each wave and the the domain restriction really. So we can alter the height by changing the coefficient of our sine function right there. Okay, so the higher we go, the larger our waves look to be. Okay, we could also make them smaller by using decimals. Okay, we want them really small like that. All right, so we can make them larger, like so, or we can make them smaller by using decimals. Okay, cool. Alrighty. And of course, we can reflect it by using our negatives. We can make it larger and still smaller. All right. Okay, so let's see here. And of course, if we add numbers here at the end, okay, it is going to raise our waves up like that, our sine function. So instead of being right here where this node, this little point is at 0, 0, if we want to move it up 1, then we just add 1 right there. So now it moves up. We can bring it down to about right there by subtracting 4, as you see, and then we can move it up and down as we please. All right. Now, again, we can restrict our domain here. So we can use our curly brackets. And if we want in between 0 and 5, we would say 0 less than x is less than 5. All right. And then we just that little portion right there. All right. Now we can make that larger by multiplying by numbers there. Okay. We can make it smaller already. Okay. Now suppose we would like to have more than just one hill in this little portion right here. Okay, we can do that by multiplying the x by, well, the amount that we want. So if we want 3, like 1, 2, 3, well, we multiply it by 3. Okay, now we have 5, we can have 9, okay? So we can combine those two things, like so. Okay, so we can change the height, we can change the number of waves that we have, we can reflect it. Okay, so we have full power, and let's restrict our domain maybe from 0 to 3. Okay, so we can do lots of different things there. Okay, reflect it. We can move it up by adding. Okay, move it down by subtracting. All right, so we have lots and lots of power here with our sine functions. And again, we can turn it on and off. We could change its color by clicking on that gear and changing the colors here, changing what it is, dotted or dashed. Okay, so we have lots of power. All right, and again, please feel free to rewatch this video over and over again. It will always be on my YouTube, and it'll always be on Google Classroom. And if you have any email questions, feel free to email me, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And we'll see you next time.